Patient. God bless you and your family. Happy Teacher's Day po! We love you!
Hi, Teacher Roseanne. Thank you for being such a good teacher. We appreciate you. We love you. God bless you. Mwah!
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Roseanne. Salamat po sa pagtuturo sa amin. We love you po.
Hello po, Ma'am Roseanne. Happy Teacher's Day po. Thank you for teaching us. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi. I love you po. Teacher's Day, teacher, love you.
Hi, Ma'am Roseanne. Thank you for teaching us all. I wish you a very happy Teacher's Day.
Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Roseanne. Love you po. Salamat sa pagtuturo. Ingat ka po.
Happy Teacher's Day, teacher. Thank you for being a truly awesome teacher. We love you, teacher.
Dear teacher, your guidance and wisdom have been a light on my path. Happy Teacher's Day.
Teacher's Day, Ma'am Roseanne. Sana po marami po kayong naturuan na bata. Thank you po sa mga pag-aalaga sa amin at pagtuturo. Happy Teacher's Day po ulit. Thank you.
Teacher's Day, salamat po kasi po tinuruan niyo po kami at sinuportahan po kami. Salamat din po kasi po tinuruan niyo po kami ng buong puso at po may galang. Sa mga nakaraan, yung tinuruan niyo po kami ng UES po talaga ako. Nagsimita po. Salamat po sa Teacher's Day.
Ma'am Roseanne, Happy Teacher's Day. Good health. We love you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Roseanne. We love you po.